Alright, today we're going to go ahead and start our air skimmer, and the first part we're going to make is going to be the fin. So what we need to do is start a new part, and we need to start all our parts with a 2D sketch. So we go up here to the upper left corner, start with a 2D sketch. You'll see we get these three different sketch planes. And the first one's XY, YZ, and then XZ. We're going to draw ours on the XY plane. So I'll select that, and now we need to start by drawing a rectangle. So I come over here, I'm going to click on the rectangle, start right at the very center point, click once, drag, and click a second time. Now I would like for you to take and click on dimension. Now this is how we go ahead and dimension a line. We go onto the line, you just put your mouse on there. You see it turns a white color. You're going to click there, drag away, click 2 times, and then you'll see that it's allowing us to put in the amount we need. We need a distance of 3, so I type in 3, and you'll see as soon as I click on this check mark, it's going to go off the screen, and that's going to be because it's going to be so big. So to get that back, just take your mouse wheel and scroll, and you can see you can get that back to a smaller size. Now we can also move it to the center. You see over here, this is your navigation tools. If you click on the hand, then you can hold the left mouse button down and you can move things around. Another way of panning things around is to just push your mouse wheel towards the table and hold it, and then you can move it around. It's a little bit quicker to do that. Now we're going to dimension the top line. So I'm going to go ahead, click on that, move away, enter a value of 3. And I can either push enter on the keyboard or I can click this green check mark. Either one works. And now we've got our rectangle. Actually it's a square and it's 3 by 3. Now we're going to finish our sketch. And then when it does that, I always want you to go back and hit your home, which is up by your, this is our sketch cube. And if you just click by that little house, it brings things back to the middle for you. Now we're going to add our third dimension. And to do that, we have to extrude, and what this does is it gives us the depth of our object. You can see that we can have that go forward, we can make it go backwards, we can make it go equal distance, and we can make it go twice as far one way as the other. We're going to make it come forward. And we're going to go in here and we're going to change that to 0.03 and then click OK and go over here and hit your home button, and there you have what is the beginning of our fin. Now we need to put an angle on it, and to do that we're going to use the chamfer tool. So we'll go up here and click on our chamfer tool, and we need to be able to give 2 distances, not 1. So I'm going to go over here, click where it says 2 distances. Now I'm going to go, and you got to be able to scroll in on this corner I am and click on that first tiny line there. And you'll see now it's looking for distance 1 going this way, distance 2 will be going that way. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my distance of 2.5 for distance 1, and then I'm going to go and just go to the second one, highlight that, and we're going to put in 2.5 for the second one also. And we're going to go ahead and just say OK, and again go home and you have your fin. Now I'll have you go ahead and add some color to it. So go up to Tools. I like to just have you go to Adjust. We're going to use solid colors only. So if you take this eyedropper and put it just on the very corner, and it turns everything into a dashed line. Go ahead and click when everything is dashed. Then you can select your color. I'm going to go ahead and select there. And can just click the plus sign for apply. And then we're out of there. And then I would like you to go up and save this. Go File, Save As, and you need to find your Air Skimmer folder, and you're going to put it in there. Okay? I'm not going to put mine there. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. But that's where you need to put it.